Morning YouTube, and yes, this is my first vlog. I'm going to show you my favorite airsoft gun. Yes, it's a pistol. It shoots hard, very hard. Here it is. It is an ultra foam shot. It shoots hard. Listen. It is hard when you hit somebody. It hurts quite a lot actually. And it is, yes, definitely my favorite pistol. But the thing I don't like about it is that my pinky can't go on the handle where I hold it. So that's a bummer that it doesn't do that. But it's still a very nice gun. If you want to see closer, ultra foam shot. It is, I like the design on it. I like this part here, check. This part. And wait, yeah, I'll go get the bullets quickly. Look at the sky. I'm back. So this is where I keep this one's bullets in, and this other small little pistol that I have, the airsoft one. This one also shoots pretty hard, check. Definitely also one of my favorite pistols from Busby and Nerf and all that. Woo. And Boomco and all of it's nice. So this is the ultra foam shot bullets, and they make bullets. I think it's one of the first guns they've ever made or something. Goes in pretty deep. Pretty hard, guys. So yeah, that one's pretty nice. And then this one's bullet looks like this. I've never seen bullets like it before. I've never really seen bullets like it before. They're still cool though. And this part is hard plastic. Listen. Hard plastic. This one doesn't go in as far though. If you guys know Calvin and Hobbes, this is like this. If you guys know Calvin and Hobbes, this is like the Spaceman Spiff gun. I want you guys to see it come out, and you guys, I don't think you guys saw it come out there. Pretty hard. So when my boots went on the floor there, I got 5 bullets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and my 5th one's on the floor because I shot it earlier. They came with this one, and 5 bullets came with this one, but my cousins lost 2. They are Luca, Jessica, and Galen. Luca and Galen playing silly buggers, and then they were shooting each other and they lost it. And my cousin, my outer Nerf, Busby and Boomco. It's Busby. I like Busby more. Sorry guys. Our Nerf's my second favorite. Boomco, like, say, third. Ultra Foam Shot fourth, but this one is my favorite pistol from Ultra Foam Shot. This one from, I actually didn't know where this one's from, guys. Ooh, don't know where it's from. But it's still nice. And this one's still nice. Bye guys, hope you liked today. Please subscribe at the bottom and hope you like my videos.